Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 28th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I still think this is potentially a WXY pattern. If that's true, that means that this is the A of Y, this is the B of Y. This perhaps could still be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which would be a C of wave Y. So if that's true, then taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, then we would definitely want to be looking at this move down right here as possibly just a pullback within an uptrend. So if we do get a break of structure to the upside at any one of these fib levels, I would definitely take it as a long. I think there's a good chance this could be a wave one, this could be a wave two, and eventually we're going to go up for a big old wave three, just like what I showed on the daily time frame. So definitely keep an eye out for a break of structure. It looks like it is trying to break structure now. It is definitely making a higher low, so that could be an early sign that this is going to go up and start a wave three to the upside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.